Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. I made this video to assist John's daughter to be able to sell his father's collection to people who enjoy this hobby. A few years ago, John's daughter contacted me to repair a few radios of her dad's collection to keep them for her family and memories of her dad. I suggest watching this video on my YouTube channel where I describe John's love of radios, phonograph, and jukebox. I wish that I had more space to buy all his collection, since I'm hoping someday to open a small museum so new generation can visit and enjoy the beauty of this old technology. Of course, at this time I don't have a space or ability to do that. I will add the location of John's collection and his daughter's email address so you can contact her for additional information. Please do me a favor, respect her dad's memories. Only contact her if you are interested to purchase. These are just some of the pictures that I have that she sent it to me. I uploaded here for you all. Feel free to contact her, but please again, contact her if you're interested to purchase. We want to respect her dad's memories. You know how it is, it is hard to sell things that was belong to your dad. So please respect her time and just contact her if you're interested to purchase. I really appreciate doing that. how hard it is to lose herons. So please respect her time. Contact her if you're interested to purchase. I really appreciate it. You all take care. Have a great day. At this time, I want to take the opportunity and thank my subscribers with their uplifting comments. You always encourage me to upload more videos, since this is just a hobby of mine. Again, I appreciate you. Enjoy all these videos, and you all have an awesome day. Take care. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and you will be notified when new video being uploaded. You have a great day.